welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana back with a new video. Ooh, yeah, I don't know, I just be going through the most when I'm trying to film. Ooh, Lord. Okay, today I'm gonna be doing another, I'm about to say Halloween. Whew. I'm doing another Valentine's Day look today, and I'm just coming with a fun Valentine's Day, just do what you want, extra AF type of makeup tutorials. So if you want to check it out, make sure you keep watching. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, I did do a first makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day 2020. I will link that in the description box, have it pop up in the cards. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Keep coming to my channel, of course. Hit that notification bell. I also, on my Facebook, hit that notification bell as well, so you get notified when I upload my little small tutorials, stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna be using a our 3503 palette. I did a first impressions on this palette. I will link it in the description box, have it pop up in the cards. Y'all know I have the 3052. I want the 350. I don't know if they still sell it. Like, I have like part 2 and part 3, so I think I should get part 1, but I'm like so I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here. I'm gonna go in with 1, 2, 3 shades to blend out my brow area.
Driving around with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded.
Okay, so now we're super blended, and now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna go in with this MAC 2. Ooh, I don't know. It left, right? I had this brush for so long. I'm gonna go into this deeper dark shade right here at the bottom. I just wanna basically smoke out the outer, like I wanna smoke this part out. I want to basically add this here to give it like a ombre effect. So you go to the darker brown with the lighter brown, but I'm going to basically run this in my crease, but not all the way to the inner corner, just halfway. So with this concealer, as you guys know if you watch my tutorials, I set all my concealers when I cut my crease with any type of powder, because I really don't want any creasing going on throughout the day. So even if I'm using a shimmer, or even if I'm using a matte shade, especially if I'm using a matte shade, I definitely set this concealer. I'm gonna go in with a oldie but goodie palette. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. This has 42 shades. This has no names of the shades, but this is like the perfect palette to do freelancing on, especially. And if you just want to play into, if you just starting out and you want to get into bronzy looks, this is the perfect palette. I have a video on this palette. It's maybe 1 or 2 years ago. I will link it in the description box, have it pop up in the cards, but this palette is the truth. BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. Here, this basically is my favorite shade because it's not too light and it's not too dark. Going into this shade right here. Driving around with my baby, now, so we're gonna go to another oldie but goodie. This is the e.l.f. It's like an this is like an eyeshadow topper. Don't mind my nails, they crusty as. So this is a eyeshadow topper. This is called Bronze. So I already have some on my little pan, and we're gonna just pop that on top of the eyeshadow. I love these glitter toppers. It's called Pop of Glitter, but you have to really be careful. Do not pack this on as an eyeshadow. Like, don't keep packing on, pack it on. Just use an eyeshadow and then just, you know, lightly tap it on top. Don't rub it, because it would definitely crease up and it would definitely remove whatever you have under it. because if it has happened to me a couple of times and I'm just like, wow. So just tap it, and then don't crease your eyes, just wait for it to dry. You can add like a little bit more, but don't put too much on because it would definitely mess up your whole eye look. That's what I don't like about them. Because what if I want to use this? I would use this as like a on top of an eyeshadow. I wouldn't use it by itself. By itself, yeah, it will probably mess up. But that's just my experience. But you can do what you want. So I'm gonna just wait for this to dry. So we are done with the eyes finally. I'm about to get into the face. So I've purchased the e.l.f.'s All the Feels facial oil. I've purchased the e.l.f.'s mattifying primer. As you guys know, I do have the Putty primer here, so I am excited. And I'm gonna just, what am I gonna put on my face first though? I think I'm gonna try this oil first. See how it feels. So this is the oil. So I'm going to try this out first, and then after that, I'm going to go in with the, ooh, this looks, it doesn't have a popping smell to it, but you know what, we're going to try it today. It is lightweight. Okay. Might have to get me another bottle. Not me stop. I don't know, but I'm give my face some more moisture. Oh yes. Oh, that just gave me a glow. Y'all see the glow? And with the Putty primer, the mattifying Putty primer, and we're gonna just put this in the areas that I'm basically oily. I'm oily all over my face. However, I get oily basically everywhere, but the places I don't want to get oily, well, most definitely is my T-zone. So I'm gonna just put the mattifying primer there. I probably won't be using the poreless Putty primer because I don't know. I'm putting it in the same spaces where I will put the Putty primer, if that makes sense. So I don't know. I might just use that too as well. But you know what? I might not use the Putty primer because I want to try this out. So you're going to see. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got my love blind. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good. Oh baby, we'll never get old. Hey guys, I am back. This is the look I came up with. I'm sorry I did not show me putting on the rhinestones, but it's a little like self-explanatory. So I don't use the normal lash glue that I use the duo glue, and I use this glue is supposed to dry clear. The one I have is black, so this is what I came up with, and I freaking love it. I never did rhinestones on my face before, but I am living for it. Like, you know, I always see the Instagram girls, you know, do their little rhinestone tutorials. I'm like, oh, that look cute. Oh, I hope you guys keep coming back to this channel. If you love fun, unusual looks like this, let me know in the comment section as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, and everything is linked in the description box. So don't forget to keep coming back. Let me know what you guys want to see. The wig details will be in the description box. Every wig that I wear will be in the description box, who did it and all that good stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.